Ladies, are you looking for safe braids for alopecia, protective style for thin hair, or a natural looking braid coverage? This video will show you that that is absolutely positive. As you can see here, my client does have some significant hair loss in the front, at the top, and in the middle. But no worries, ladies, because if you want your hair to look this seamless, like this, which is absolutely natural, look how that natural hairline looks. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss in the front, at the top, or in the middle. So let's jump right into this video and I will show you exactly how I accomplished this beautiful style. So as always, I start with moisturizing my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, when my clients come in, I do not just get started with their style right away. There is a hair growth technique that I use with all my clients when they first come in. As you can see, this is our hair growth butter. It is G&G, which stands for grandmother and granddaughters, because yes, we produce this hair growth butter ourselves and it is packed. Ladies, when I say it is packed with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, olive oil, black seed oil. Yes, I packed it with every single oil that we can think of that will promote hair growth, that will nourish your hair and your scalp. So again, as you can see here, I am going in with that hair growth butter. I'm not only just moisturizing her scalp, but I am moisturizing her hair. Look how I am just loving on her hair and showing her hair so much attention, so much TLC. Yes, some tender loving care. That's exactly what her scalp needs. Then I go in and I do a deep head and scalp massage. Oh my gosh, ladies, my clients always tell me how good that feels just to have a deep massage. And I am trying to stimulate her hair follicles so that we can promote hair growth. And I am just moisturizing and making sure that her scalp is hydrated. Yes, ladies, so look at that hydration on her hair now. When she came in, her hair was very dry, very brittle, but that hair growth butter, what? It gives it all the nutrients and the vitamins that it needs. And then I go in with that brush. Yes, brushing, ladies, is super essential for our hair. Brushing helps stimulate the hair follicles, as well as massaging your scalp and your hair follicles at the same time. So yes, you'll see here that I'm going in and I am brushing. I'm brushing the front, I'm brushing the back, I'm brushing in the middle. Again, I am stimulating these hair follicles as much as possible. I am starting that brush at the roots of her hair and I'm bringing it all the way to the end shafts of her hair. And this is what we want to do, ladies. So many of us, especially stylists, have gotten away from brushing, and people in general have just gotten away from brushing. Look how I'm going in and doing that brushing. She was telling me how she has not brushed her hair in so long, and she has never had a stylist that did this to her hair before styling. She's used to just going in and getting her hair styled, not getting it hydrated, moisturized, definitely not no deep scalp massage, and definitely not brushing. So yes, ladies, we got to get back to brushing because again, this is super essential and super healthy for our hairs and for hair growth. So please do these things to your hair before starting the style. If you're doing your own hair, do it, or ask your stylist. I'm sure she won't mind. You just have to ask. So after completing her braid pattern, I am going in with what? My custom frontal. Yes, my custom frontal is specifically made for those who have hair loss, alopecia, thin hair, thin edges, or no edges at all. And as you can see here, no one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss once this style is completed. We are going to be using the human hair from QVR Yes, this is the new Miracle Knot. And voila, look how beautiful this came out. I braided the frontal and I installed her human hair crochets. And that's what this style is. It is crochets, and no one will ever know that it even looks like crochets. Look how gorgeous this came out. She wants to wear it up because she doesn't like hair hanging on her neck or in her face. So she's going to wear it up in this ponytail or in this puff. She can let it down and let it hang if she desires, but this came out gorgeous. If you haven't tried it, try it. You'll love these crochet braids with human hair. Absolutely gorgeous, and the hairline is seamless, completely invisible illusion hairline with crochet braids. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil. Yes, y'all, I am back again. It's me, your girl T, and I'm dropping another video. So yes, y'all, let's get into it.